can see, my arms are pretty parallel, right, with the sticks, okay? There is an adjustment to the seat that allows the seat base to move up. So what you do, is you just grab the seat base, click 1, click 2, I move my seat base, and you can visibly see now how much more angle my forearm has. Tall guys, short guys, that's your adjustment. Then I can take these armrests right here, there's 2 bolts back here, and I can move those up about 1.5 inches, and I can really dial in my comfort for my customer. This adjustment starts on the U35 and 33s all the way up. The Grammar seat, ROPS and cab models. You have that adjustment.